All right, health news tonight. Atrial fibrillation is the most common heart rhythm problem affecting millions of Americans and greatly increasing their risk of a stroke.
But the treatment for AFib can also carry some serious risks. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a new device that could help reduce those risks. Doc?
Well, Kim and Evan, if atrial fibrillation can't be controlled with medication, doctors will typically perform a procedure called a cardiac ablation. It's very effective, but there is a risk of complications. Well, now, experts may have found a very clever solution.
Until she landed in the ER, Amanda Mitchum had no idea her shortness of breath was actually atrial fibrillation.
I could be just sitting, and I just felt like I had ran a 10-mile run.
When medication failed to correct Amanda's AFib, her best option became a heart ablation, a surgical procedure that uses high energy to create a lesion in the precise location that's throwing off the heart's rhythm. While it's an effective treatment, it can also cause damage to the esophagus, which lies just 5 millimeters away.
That thermal effect can result in an injury to both organs where you get this communication, which becomes a very serious life-threatening problem.
Dr. Emil Daoud at the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center helped create a way to move the esophagus an entire inch away from the heart during treatment. The device is inserted down the patient's throat, gently shifting the esophagus left and right, moving it out of harm's way.
By pulling in or using suction force and then moving the entire segment over to the side, you then create a safe pathway where the physician can deliver the energy to treat the atrial fibrillation.
A clinical trial led by Ohio State found over a third of patients had esophageal injuries after an ablation. But with the new device, less than 5% had any injury. For Amanda, that means peace of mind. After treatment, she's back to playing with her granddaughter.
It was such a joy to be able to play with her and not feel, in that first minute, oh God, Grandma's got to sit down.
Now, the device is expected to gain FDA approval in the coming months, with the hope of then training surgeons across the country to use it during ablations to better protect heart patients in the future.